Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the CapCut export error. So if you can't export your video as an example in CapCut, you're trying to click on export and it's not exporting. It might be one of a lot of problems because it will be different from one into another. One of the things that will help you for sure is simply restarting CapCut. Make sure to close CapCut completely, close it, and make sure it's not open. Of course, you can just check here using the task manager. You can go and look for any CapCut processes. So just look, no CapCut process, that means it's closed. I can just go now and open it up. Close in it and reopen it, and you can just go and try exporting again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. So if this fails, you can try to free up your storage, because CapCut exports fails if your phone or PC storage is full, as an example. If you have any full storage, make sure to go and free up some storage. You can use a lot of apps, also like an app called PC Manager that you can download on the Microsoft Store. Other than that, make sure to lower the export settings. If you click on export as example, make sure to go on a lower resolution, like as an example 720p or 4080p, or as an example even lower the bitrate, or don't have it on custom, make sure to have it on lower. This will help crashes or fix crashes due to the RAM or GPU limitations, especially on older devices. Also, you would like to clear cache. How to clear cache as an example, let me just go and quit. As you can see, you'll find yourself here, so click at the top right corner on the settings option. Here, as you can see, you should find settings, just go and click on that. And in here, as an example, you should find everything. So you'll find here the cache size. As you can see, you can just go and click on delete, or this icon example, which is the trash can icon. And this should delete basically the cache. You can also enable this option to auto delete cache from 15 days to 90 days, to 30 days to 60 days. It is totally up to you. And you can play also with other settings if you want to, and it's totally up to you again. Other than that, for the mobile, of course, to delete it, you'll have to long press on the application, go to the settings, go to the storage, and you'll find clear cache option. Click on clear data if you didn't find clear cache. Once you click on clear data, you'll find two options, clear data or clear cache. Choose clear cache. So for like example, some large complex edits, it can overwhelm like CapCut. So try splitting your video into parts, exporting separately and rejoining later if you have a lot of edits. And I guess what can help you as well is simply updating CapCut. Make sure to just click on X and always check if you are on the latest update. You can always click on version and click on check for updates. And if there are any updates, as you can see, like for me here, I'll have to go and click on install now. Make sure it's not a beta. If it's a beta, don't do it. But if it still crashes for you, even if it's a beta, just go for it. And the last things that can help you, or the last thing that can help you, of course, is two things. Try to export in hardware coding off. As an example, you can go to settings. As an example, here in the performance, make sure to have like the options disabled, not enabled, of the hardware encoding. And if all of that does not help, just go and uninstall it, then reinstall it again on your PC. And this is the ultimate fix for your crashes. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.